Begin in a tabletop position with your hands and knees on the floor. Transition into a plank position and then step 1 foot forward on the outside of the same side hand, keeping the other leg extended behind you. This is your starting position. Place the hand on the same side as the front foot on the knee of that leg, using it to stabilize and guide the movement. Keep the opposite hand firmly planted on the ground for support. Start the exercise by drawing circles with your front knee, initiating the movement from the hips, making sure the movement is controlled and that your front foot remains flat on the ground to maintain stability and leverage. Continue making knee circles for half of the prescribed number of reps or duration. After reaching the halfway point, reverse the direction of the knee circles, continuing the exercise for the remainder of the set. Once you have completed the set on one side, switch to the other side, transitioning back into plank, bringing the opposite foot forward, and repeating the sequence for the same amount of reps or duration of time. Rolling lizards are great for increasing hip mobility, improving flexibility in the groin area, and improving ankle dorsiflexion. This exercise is particularly beneficial for athletes involved in sports requiring dynamic lower body movements such as soccer, martial arts, or running. Regular practice can help enhance athletic performance and reduce the risk of injuries in activities that demand extensive leg mobility. As always, don't push past any pain and remember to breathe.